Hello students, our topic is business organization. Now we all know what is business. Any organization when tries to earn profit comes under business. So whenever you do something to earn a motive of profit, then that is business. Now profit is earned either by manufacturing or by providing services. So we consider two types of businesses like economic and social. Now economic businesses are which coming under this capital and profit are economic business types, and social are when you do not want to earn any kind of profit and you have all the prices reasonable and goods and services are under non-negotiable act, that is social. Now business activities are classified into two different types. One is industrial and the second one is commercial. Now industrial activities are all about manufacturing and producing goods. Now manufacturing and producing goods means you are trying to manufacture products for somebody, that is coming under industrial. Now commercial activities are all financial institutions. Everything related to your banks, your inventory, your transportation, your insurance, all these things comes under commercial activities. Now there are two types of industries. One is large scale industry and one is small scale industries. Now large scale industries includes the petroleum industries, cotton, textile and steel. Now small scale industries can be your soaps, perfumes, chocolates, etc. Now when we talk about the purpose of having a business organization, first most important purpose is profit motive. Now second can be your quality of goods, then quality of service, then avoiding loss, then abiding by regulations and social responsibilities. So all these are different purposes a business organization should have. Now what I consider is four scopes of business while studying the subject business organization. First scope can be it is related to production of goods. Second can be rendering of services. Third is distribution of goods, and then fourth is distribution of assistance. Now while we talk about the nature of business organization, first is it is science. Business organization is science because it is a systematized body of knowledge which establishes relationship between cause and effect. Now second thing, it is an economic activity. Third thing is focuses on profits because profits are the entrepreneur's earnings. Now then it is a continuous process of buying and selling, and also it undergoes risk and uncertainties related to the business. So all these are nature of the business organization. Now again the organization is divided into two different types. One is material organization and the second is human organization. Now material organization means what all raw materials, tools, machineries you use comes under material organization. Now human organization is your staff, your employees who are working in the organization is your human organization. When you assign tasks to your human resource, that is your human organization. Now when we talk about the business and the environment interface, your business organization is always inside your environment. So I'm talking about the business and the environment interface. There are 5 different types of environment interface. First being demographic. Second interface is cultural. Then third interface will be technological. Fourth interface will be nature. And fifth interface is your economic. So So all these are different types of economic interfaces which are related to your business. Thank you.